Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll be completing the last task of Trailhead Playground Management, which is install apps and packages in your Trailhead Playground. So click on it. After clicking, we'll be landing here. Copy the package ID this we need in the future and click on launch. After clicking launch, we'll be landing here. In the left top corner, there is the app launcher, the dots. So click on it. After clicking, write playground starter and click on it. Once it opens, we'll go to install a package. You can see it there. So click on it. Now paste what we have copied. Then click on install. We'll wait for a while. It will be loading. So once this page appears, click on install. This will take a few minutes or few seconds to install, so we'll wait for a while. Until that, if you like my content, please like and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to create more videos. So as you can see, once installation is completed, click on done. After that, come to the place from where we have started our challenge and click to earn points. As you can see, we have completed this task. Thank you for watching, guys.